Woodworking is a process of using different tools to reshape wooden limber or planks into magnificent art pieces. But often beginners do not know what are the most essential tools in this work. In today's video, we have rounded up the 10 must-have tools so that you can have a better idea to decide which tools to keep in your workshop. So, without further ado, let's pay attention to the video.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Bringing large wooden piles from the forest is the first step of woodworking. As those pieces are quite thick and large, you'll need the ShopFox Hybrid Table Saw, which is the perfect hybrid table saw for you to begin with. This table saw is powered through 120 volt of electricity to run a 10-inch blade, and the blade is rotatable from 0 to 45 degrees at a left tilting attitude. Equipped with a removable blade guard and riving knife, it has on-off paddle safety switch to turn off anytime for any immediate occurrence. With a 2 HP motor powered on, this saw can perform 3 1/4 inch maximum depth of cut. The robust and solid cast iron trunnions absorb vibration and ensure proper blade defense. Also, its miter slot alignment make blade height and angle adjustments a breeze. Overall, with an extracted aluminum fence, quick release blade guard, and precise fence alignment, the ShopFox Hybrid Table Saw is a good hybrid table saw to start working with. Beside a table saw, you will need a jigsaw for certain woodpicking tasks. The Skil Orbital laser jigsaw will fulfill the need for that with its enormous features. If power and precision are important in your woodworking projects, then this jigsaw is for you, because the powerful 6-amp motor ensures a stellar performance. Also, with the 4-position orbital cut control for fast or smooth cuts, this laser jigsaw has the power for tackling any job when it comes to sawing. Next to that, the tool design is custom molded to prevent the blade from damaging material while your work is in progress. Moreover, the saw itself is made from high-density plastic to become more durable than it looks. Above all, for stabilizing blades and a remarkable 3200 SPM speed, the Skil 449502 can be your favorite jigsaw in terms of use. After cutting all the woods, sanding is the solution to make them user-friendly. The WEN6502 is one of the versatile disc and belt sanders to smoothen your wooden pieces for that. The weld belt disc sander easily sands, smooths, and removes all of the jagged edges and splinters under the lumber with a 600 RPM speed. With a 4.3 amp motor, users should anticipate enough power to prevent this machine from bogging down under a large load. The belt of the sander tilts anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees to accommodate the needs of a particular workpiece. You can tilt the belt from a horizontal to a vertical position or anywhere in between depending on the needs of your project. Also, the solid cast iron base prevents all the massive vibrations. Furthermore, there is a 2.5-inch dust port to minimize cleanup of sawdust and debris in your workshop by sucking into your favorite vacuum. So, to get 2 sanding portions in one machine, the 6-inch disc and a belt sander can be a valuable asset in your workshop. Hammering hundreds of nails to set up a French consumes much time and energy, but not anymore if you use the CRAFTSMAN brand nailer kit. It's a cordless nailer that finishes your 18-gauge nailing without hammering the house. Since it's a cordless nailer, you'll not have to worry about the compressors, hoses, and fuel cartridges anymore. Instead, you have to charge the 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, which can insert over 400 nails on a single charge. The nail provides consistent firing power in various climate conditions and materials, and it has tool-free depth settings for quick setup. Also, you can remove the jammed nails due to its tool-freeness. Equipped with a dual LED light system, working in the dark condition with this nailer is much easier, and it's lightweight with an optimal center of gravity providing optimal balance and comfort in hand during use. Lastly, with the belt hook and overmolded pistol grip, the CRAFTSMAN Cordless Brad Nailer Kit is an ultimate nailer for your urgent nailing work. Imagine how tough it is to cut some parts to the side of the edge manually to rejoin it with another piece. But it'll not be a hard job only if you get the Makita compact router. It is 1 1/4 inch electric compact router coming with a 1/4 inch collet and straight guide including industry standard templates. And it'll complete your applications such as classic and corner bits and bullnose profiles. Equipped with an optional dust tube, it'll offer you a dust-free workplace. Besides, it'll present a rack and pinion depth adjustment capability and a quick-release cam lock mechanism. It accepts 3 kinds of bases to perform ungrooving, deadoing, and mortising. Attaching a tilt base will let you keep an angle. Note that this router has a high-performance motor to have variable speed in between 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, which matches the requirement of your desired application. So for this much advantage in use, the Makita compact router is worthy to stay in your workshop. Compound miter saws are a must to have your wooden pieces cut from an angle in precise shape. The Festool Kapex KS sliding compound miter saw is a professional compound miter saw to make you feel its value. It is the most advanced sliding compound miter saw in the market today that cuts rivals the finest trim work. Designed with a lightweight form factor, it can perform heavy in workshops or job sites. First, it features a rail-forward design which increases precision and creates a compact footprint for accurate cuts. Plus, it aligns cuts from the left or right side using the dual lasers which clearly define the material that will be removed during the cut. Moreover, the bevel adjustment on the saw is counter-spring balanced. That means you can position the bevel at any angle and the head will stay in position even when it's not locked in place. Finally, the saw runs from 1600 watts of electric power, rotating a high-quality 60-tooth carbide blade. With low noise production and vibration damping, the Festool Kapex KS sliding compound miter saw will assist you in hard times. Plane the surface of your project as smooth as possible with the BLACK+DECKER random orbital sander. This is one of the best cordless sanders that'll gear your progress up. Powered through a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, this sander can produce the 12,000 OPM. Comparing its power, it is more compact and lightweight than its predecessors. Then, its dust collection canister will let you leave a smooth, clean finish, keeping your work surface clean as you go. To give you more ease and advantage, the sander comes with a battery, charger, and 2 5-inch sandpaper sheets. So with all the accessories and advantages, the BLACK+DECKER random orbital sander is a complete and affordable package of random orbital sander that can take care of your small projects and quick touches efficiently. Meet the Ryobi electric hand planer to straighten your wooden pieces with no hassle. Coming in at only 3 pounds, it also has the options and adjustability to back it up. Adjusting up to 1/8 inch in 1/96 inch increments, this has enough options to do most jobs that do not require extreme precision. The planer can deliver 16,500 RPM by its 6 amp high power motor using 120 volt of electricity. Beside the power, it has a rubber overmold grip that gives it a bit of an edge, increasing friction and reducing the chances of a slip in wet or hot environments. More importantly, a safety lock button and kickstand make this a very safe tool to work with. Attached with a 6-foot cord, the Ryobi electric hand planer is a good tool in the woodworking section. Any workshop is incomplete without a drill driver. That's why you can pick a Makita XFD131 driver kit to enrich yours. This is a 1/2-inch cordless drill driver running through an 18-volt LXT lithium-ion battery. Anyway, with the battery, it can produce 2-speed transmission for a wide range of drilling and fastening applications. Hence, you'll get 0 to 500 and 0 to 1900 RPM of rotation to complete your drilling job. It has a brushless motor that delivers 440 inches-pounds of max torque and keeps 50% longer run time per charge. Besides, its rubberized soft grip handle provides increased comfort on the job, reducing the fatigue. Overall, comparing the performance to size ratio, the Makita X50-131 is a super handy and portable drill driver kit for your daily job. And there is our last item, the CRAFTSMAN Circular Saw. Which is a corded powered saw that increases your confidence at the job site, finishing your task conveniently. Combined with a high-performance motor, this saw blade runs at 5500 RPM for aggressive and fast cutting. 7¼ blade carbide tooth blade provides a smooth and quick cutting. Its 55-degree bevel capacity lets you have cutting advantage from two different angles such as 22.5 and 45 degree. Also, a tool-free design will allow you to adjust the bevel angle in a matter of seconds. The saw has a magnesium shoe for durability and reduced weight and metal upper and lower guard for added durability. In addition, its contoured overmolded handle adds comfort during use. So with all the features and brand reputation, the CRAFTSMAN will be an important part of your tool family. So that was all about the 10 must-have tools for woodworking that'll make your workshop complete for starting woodworking.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you found it helpful. And subscribe to our channel for more videos like this on your feed.